Hi beauties, welcome to my channel. My name is Ash. If you're new here, I'm a cruelty-free ME who loves to play with makeup. If you've been here before, welcome back. So today's video is a collab deal with Shar from Fashion Nation and also from Amy, who's the Midnight Artist. We're doing a Grinch inspired look. Guys, tell the truth, I do not know what I'm planning. I am just like, Grinch, what the heck? So, we're gonna do all green with some, I don't know, we're gonna do it. My green contour, I don't know. Who's green blush? I don't know. But yeah, so I'm going to do something different more than things because right now it is nighttime. It is like 9 o'clock and yeah, so I'm kind of like, yeah, I gotta do this before anything changes. So we're just gonna do it. Don't know what I'm planning. So the first thing I'm gonna do is LA Colors Jumbo Eye Pencil in Spring. I got this at Shop Miss A and they're only for $1. If you still can find this. You can still find this at Dollar Tree General, possibly Dollar Tree, and even on their site. Just give you a heads up. Or even at Amazon if you like to shop on Amazon. So I don't know what I'm planning to do. Really. So I'm just going to use this as a green base. I use Juniper. I've used this palette from Profusion. It's their Emerald palette, and I really do like this palette. It's like one of my Profusion is actually one of my favorite brands. So we're going to use Juniper. It's this shade right here, and we're just gonna put it in the crease. We're just, like I said, we're just gonna put it in the crease. With that green on top with that pencil mix, it really does a good job. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm digging, just, you know, layering. Just something. We're gonna use a nice fluffy brush to use, and we're gonna use Firm because it's this all green look basically. So I'm going to use Firm just to buff that color. You do how you want to do this. It's all going to be all green look, I guess. And then we're going to use Meadow. This green color right here. I'll make it nice and simple. I don't know what I'm planning. I'm just like, yeah, we just don't know. We're just gonna do this. And what I like to do, when I'm using that fluffy brush, I just like angle this out just a tad bit. Okay. I haven't used Galaxy, and I think this would be a pretty shade. It's this greenish. Like, look at that. It's like a duochrome color. And I'm just not planning to do any eyeshadow primer. I don't know why. I'm just in that mood. Just don't want to use eyeshadow primer. Just to let you guys know. You can use eyeshadow primer if you want. No big deal. Do what you want to do because this will be coming off whenever. Ooh, how you like that? That's really pretty. I like that. I could use Monumental, but I don't want to. I haven't really used Galaxy. It's actually my first time. And it's such a pretty color. I don't know. Okay. for this, I am going to use green eyeliner. Because why not? Let's have fun. Let's go all green. Because Grinch is all green and yellow and whatever the case may be. I think that's a really good color. So I'm just going to do the other eye, and then we're going to be right back because I want to do something that I have never done before. Since this is a Grinch style look, I might do something. And Lord, please forgive me, makeup gods. Just gotta say. Now, I'm supposed to choose a makeup guide, I'm just saying. Okay. So, I'll be right back. Well, this is the finished look. I can tell you one thing. I look sick in this. I look like the Grinch. But a hairless Grinch. I look sick. Like, what the heck, Alice? What did you do? Oh, I went out there, didn't I? Holy, yeah. The complexion. Green is not my color for my complexion. Neither is lipstick. So I know green. Don't go with green lipstick. Yeah. I look really sick. I'm like I can play a zombie. But this is a Grinch. Like, who says the Grinch supposed to look pretty, or the female version of the Grinch should look pretty? She's ugly too. But nobody doesn't want to beat that. Yeah, that's me. What did I do? I don't know. I could tell you, yeah. I think that's what the Grinch would look like if it was hairless and it was a female. I love the Grinch. I'm not being mad about the Grinch. I'm not being mean to the Grinch. I just love the Grinch. But I was like, I don't want to do just a green eyeshadow look. You know what? Let's go for it. I did. You know, this is new to me, and I probably will never do this again. I promise you I won't. But I really do enjoy it. I do. I love it. I really love this collab. This is what Amy picked for us to do, and I love it. I will do it again with just without the green cheekbones and everything else. But this was fun. You know, get in my comfort zone, and I know this is not my thing because I look sick. Okay, guys. If you like this video, hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to be part of the Makeup Addict family. If you're new to this channel, don't worry. I don't do this a lot. This is just like very first time that I ever done this. And this will probably be the last time if I went full on green. I can tell you, ain't my style. Green is not my color when it comes to complexion colors. Only eye makeup, I promise you. Don't worry, this is a drama-free zone. And this is a judgment-free, so be nice to me, please. I beg you. And don't forget to subscribe to Midnight Artist and Shar from Fashion Nation to see what they come up with this. And don't forget to hit the notification bell if you want to be notified of any new videos. So guys, I hope you have a wonderful day or night wherever you're at. I love you and God bless. Bye.